If you have a Marantec garage door opener and you're looking to add a second wall station in your garage, but you don't want to mess around with wiring it to your operator, then the wireless Marantec wall station is probably going to work for you. We'll take a look at how it works and how to program it to your operator. Let's get to it. So the Marantec Wireless Wall Control Station is just like it sounds. It's wireless. So there's no wires to connect to the opener. You don't have to fish any wires through the wall or across the ceiling or anything like that. It works basically like your remote, and it has two buttons that can be programmed to operate two different operators. So inside the box you'll find the wireless wall control station, which already has a battery in it, so you don't have to worry about purchasing a battery. There's one already in here. You also get the 3-prong programming connector used for programming it, instructions on how to do that, and also a couple of screws to mount the wall station to the wall. To be able to use the wireless wall control station with your Marantec opener, you need to have a 315 megahertz frequency remote that works your operator. So you can have an older M32312 remote like this one, or one of the newer 382 remotes, or any of them that are 315 megahertz. You can see on the back of your remote, it'll be printed there. So once you confirm that you have a 315 megahertz remote that's compatible, we can get into programming it. To program the wall station, you're first going to take your remote and your 3-prong programming connector, and you'll insert that into the side of your remote. And then you'll take your wall control station and you'll plug that 3-prong into the side of the wall control station. And then to program the wall control station, you first want to press and hold the remote button that works your operator. So in this case we'll use the top button. Make sure you do this one first, and then you'll press the button on here that you want to program, and you press and hold it. You see that red light on the wall control station flashes and then goes solid. That means that the code has been transferred from the remote to the wall control station, and it's now programmed. So if you have two openers, you can program each button to each opener. So in this case, we'll say the bottom button works our second operator, and we want the bottom button on the wall control station to work. So we'll press and hold the bottom button on the remote, and then press and hold the bottom button on here. So now both buttons on the wireless wall control station will work your operator just like your remote does. So once you have the wall control station programmed, you're now going to want to mount it somewhere in your garage. Anywhere that you have range, you can mount. So if you have a man door that goes into your garage, maybe you want to put an extra wall button there, or you maybe by your workbench on the other side of the garage, or in between the two doors if you have two doors there. Anywhere you want, as long as it's inside. This obviously is not made for outdoor use. It's not water resistant or anything like that, so it's indoor use only. So to mount it, you will take a small screwdriver, and there's a tab on the bottom of the wall control station, and you push that in and down, and the back plate will start to come off, and you can just pull that off, and you'll see your back plate here. So you'll hold this back plate up to wherever you want to mount the wall control station, and mark the two holes, drill the holes, and insert the screws through there, and then this will clip right back on to wherever you mounted it. If you're interested in purchasing the Marantec Wireless Wall Control Station, I'll leave a link in the description below, and if you have any questions, you can email us at youtube@garageDoorZone.com and visit our store at garageDoorZone.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.